Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a gorgeous bun in just a few simple steps. So stay tuned, you're going to love it. Like this video so more people can see our stuff, and also subscribe so you can get inspiration for your beauty routines every single week. Alright, I'm going to start off by prepping the hair. I think often people can get so discouraged when trying hairstyles because it's just challenging and the hair's not doing what they want it to do, and it's all about how you prep the hair. So today I'm going to be prepping it with texture spray. So I'm going to grab my Fat Boy texture spray and just spray it all throughout her hair. So this is a great style to do when your hair is dirty. It just does better with all the texture and all that fun stuff. So after I sprayed the texture spray in, I'm going to brush it up in the direction of a ponytail. Just working all around.
This is literally the best feeling in the world. It feels so good.
I love having my hair brushed gently.
And now I'm asleep because it feels so good.
Okay, so now that I've got it in a high ponytail, I will just tie it off with an elastic. Make sure it's nice and secure. And then before I do anything else, I'm going to show you guys how you can smooth out some of these little baby hairs. So for today, it does not matter if when you brush it up, it's a little tangly up top. So just spray your comb with hairspray and then tuck all the little baby hairs. Just comb them up, basically.
This is like the same as getting your hair washed by a hairstylist. Like it's
That's
like
the best. I literally am just like,
it's so nice.
oh, please don't stop washing my hair. It feels so good. Alright, so now that the back is done, I'm just going to work my way around her head doing the same thing. Which I'm not going to do it quite as much in the front because we will be pulling stuff down here in a second. Alright, easy peasy. The next step is to break her ponytail into 4 sections. So just do it in half and then into quarters. Now, if you have a watch or a bracelet or something, I like to put several bobby pins in there. So stick my bobby pins on my watch. Another reason I love the Apple Watch, right? You know, track your calories and clip your bobby pins. Okay, so now that I have got this sectioned off, I'm going to spray it again with just a little hairspray. After I've sprayed that with hairspray, it's time to start pinning. So I take the section and I just flip it over and tuck her ends. Basically, depending on how long your hair is, you can just keep looping them. So I make a little spiral like that and just slide my bobby pin into the bottom. And the awesome thing about this hairstyle is you can really make it adjustable and make the bun however big or small that you want. So I'm going for about a medium-sized bun. And then you just keep continuing doing the same thing with the rest of the 3 sections. Okay, now is when you just start pulling the sections together to connect them and connect your bun. All right, and that does it. Look at how gorgeous this bun is, and it literally took me 2 seconds.
Can you just do this to me every day?
Yeah,
I feel like I look so like classy.
you do.
Love it.
Okay, so another fun tip is if you love to use hair accessories and that's something that you feel, you know, dresses up a hairstyle like me, I think accessories are so fun, then I'm going to show you 2 quick ways that you can add one into this hairstyle. The first way you can do that is to add it onto the side. So just kind of right here and then place it, crunch it, kind of at an angle, looks so pretty. And the second way that you can add this accessory into your cute bun is just in the back. And another tip about placing it in this spot is if you do have any baby hairs that are still wanting to pop out, or like me, if you have any little breakage, you can just clip it up with this accessory. So it's dual purpose, cute and practical.
Y'all, I literally want to wear this every day. I feel like so like modern and classic, and now Grace is gonna move in with me so she can do
Sounds
this every
great.
day.
I'm just gonna, you know, brush your hair until she falls asleep.
I love it.
And, you know,
It's so cute. I never do this like type of stuff on myself, but now I want like all of our brides and everyone else to do this hairstyle because it's so cute.
it's so stunning. I feel like it's something like Hailey Bieber would do or something. So
Totally.
anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did like it, please hit that thumbs up once again, and we'll see you next time.
Also, if you try it, be sure to tag us because we love seeing your
We
photos.
love it. Please do.
Bye, guys.